Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has attacked the Trinamool Congress. He says that there is total bloodshed in West Bengal and there is a very poor law and order situation there under the Trinamool Congress. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who has been a bete noir of Mamata Banerjee in the Trinamool, says the Election Commission should take strict action.
चुनाव आयोग और कड़ी से कड़ी कदम उठाएं। चुनाव आयोग की निगरानी में और केंद्रीय बल की उपस्थिति में अगर इस तरीके की खून खराबा होते रहे बंगाल में, तो जब ये नहीं रहेगी बंगाल में तो क्या होने वाला है। बंगाल में कानून की हालत ऐसा बुरी, कानून की हालत आज से नहीं कई सालों से, जिस दिन से सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी में तृणमूल शामिल हुई, काबिज में आए, बंगाल की सत्ता तृणमूल पार्टी के काबिज में आए, तब से ये लगातार जारी है। और सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी बंगाल को चाहते हैं कि बंगाल में आम लोग चुनाव में हिस्सा ना ले।
So Adhir's own battle is over, but he's taking on the Trinamool Congress over the incidents in Nandigram. Now, Nandigram, of course, witnessed perhaps the showpiece battle of the last West Bengal assembly elections where Subhendu Adhikari beat Mamata Banerjee, and Shreya joins us now. Shreya, what is the battle likely to look like this time around? How close is it? Who are involved? And how will this attack and this controversy impact the Trinamool Congress?
You know, of course, this is going to impact because remember, Nandigram falls under the Tamluk Lok Sabha constituency and tomorrow it is going to polling. So just 2 days ahead of the polling, we saw violence in Nandigram once again. Remember, this time around in Tamluk, we will witness a contest between Abhijit Gangopadhyay, who is the former Calcutta High Court judge, and also TMC's Debanshu Bhattacharya. Now, the violence brought back memories of the 2007 agitation. You will remember between the Communist Party and the Trinamool Congress, where possibly land were accused and these two parties were at loggerheads. So, of course, this time around, the BJP said that one of their female worker was murdered by TMC goons, which resulted in the protest. Several houses were set fire. So, of course, we saw this violence. Now, we will have to see how it is going to affect the polls.
Most definitely. Well, thank you, Shreya, for joining us and sharing this information with us. Viewers, West Bengal remains on the boil on the eve of another phase of elections there. Nandigram is the hotspot at the moment, and the Trinamool and the BJP are at it. Viewers, we are tracking this very closely along with other stories. We'll have more for you after a short break. Stay with us.